If y'all remember the last video I did on this team associated RC10, this is what it looked like, and this is where I'm at. So I've got it all torn down so far. This is where I've stopped at right now. I actually did a live stream on this the other day, tearing it down, and boy, it was a booger. I mean, I was trying to find the right size for these hex heads right here. They're not 2.0 or 2.5, they're actually 7/64ths. So I don't know if they were different back in the day or what. And also I see a lot of Phillips head and even a flat head right here, which I'm sure whoever had this car before my friend had it, I'm sure he's the one that, you know, replaced these parts, because he also molested the chassis, you know, drilled a bunch of holes in it and everything else, which I get it back then. I'm sure he's trying to do weight savings and racing with his friends and everything, so that's all understandable. Cool thing about this, which it's the, I don't know if you can see it in the picture here, but it's the A stamp. So if he wouldn't have done all this to the car, I would restore this all back to original, but since it's all been molested, I'm just going to go ahead and do whatever I want to with it. It did have this Trinity Monster horsepower motor in it, and I don't know if it works or not. I haven't tried it. It spins fine. It looks like everything's there. So I'm going to have to try that out sooner or later. And then it also came with this extra motor right here. This Trinity Slot 2 machine motor. But it looks like it's missing some parts. So I may have to holler at Erica over at Highway 49 RC, get her help on these brushed motors. She's real good at rebuilding these brushed motors. I'm more of a brushless guy than anything. I never really, you know, I messed with the brush motors before back when I did slot cars. So I'm sure, you know, the concept's basically the same thing, just a bigger scale. But she seems to have quite a bit of experience with this, so I may holler at her on those. I did pull all the old shocks off. I did get a rebuild kit for them too. So I got this shock rebuild kit for them right here, thinking to rebuild these shocks, but these things are boogered up pretty bad. I mean, this one right here, it won't even move. Not to mention all the rust on them and everything else. So I don't know. I mean, I'll try to rebuild them, but hell, it may be just easier or better to buy all new shocks for it. I don't know yet. We'll see. I mean, all the parts are there. I did get another battery tray for it. Actually, I bought two of them. The other one will be here, I think, next week. So one for each side, because the old battery trays, they were brittle and just coming apart when I pulled it apart. So I did get that. I also got some new front tires for it. Got some new rear tires for it. And then I also got the front and rear wheel kit for it also. Oh yeah, and then I also bought some bearings too. So I got some bearings for it, so I can replace all those. And here's the old servo right here, the old Futaba FP S143. Don't know if it works. I'm not going to use it. So I mean, I may still check it out, see if it still works, but I'm not going to use it. I'll put a newer servo in it. But I'm looking forward to this. Like I said, this is where I'm at on it right now. It's a little grungy, a little dirty. I need to pull it apart some more, check some more things out. And everything back here seems fine. You can just tell it's all gritty, so it definitely needs to be pulled apart and cleaned. And luckily, I mean, there's still parts readily available for this car, so it shouldn't be a problem at all for me to get replacement parts at all. But like I said, this is my first RC10 gold pan I've ever had, or RC10 buggy. So this is pretty cool. I like this a lot. So I'm looking forward to get it running, get it up and going. But I'm gonna spend a little time on it. Probably spend a little bit of money on it, maybe, to make it right. But anyway, guys, this is where I'm at on it right now. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And y'all be good and take care.